As a property owner, you need a rental agreement to ensure you and the tenant have a good experience. It protects you and them, telling the tenant everything they must know before they choose to move in. Welcome back, Loopers. It's Andrew Chung with DoorLoop. Today we're going to discuss the Nevada Residential Lease Agreement and how you can streamline your process with our property management software platform. A Nevada Residential Lease Agreement is a legally binding contract that outlines the rules associated with living in your rental unit. This can apply to both residential and commercial spaces. The lease agreement must comply with the landlord-tenant laws in Nevada. In addition, a Nevada sublease agreement is worded similarly and does the same thing. In your lease agreement, it's important to include several key components. Rent. Clearly state the monthly payment amount, ensuring the tenant is aware of their financial responsibility. Security deposit. A Nevada landlord can request up to 3 months' rent for a security deposit, but they must return the full amount, minus any damages, within 30 days of lease termination. Repairs and right to entry. Nevada landlords must provide a 24-hour notice before entering the rental property, except in case of emergencies. Lease termination. Though not required, it's recommended to include information about evictions or termination procedures, like a failure to pay rent, conducting illegal activities, non-renewal of the lease, or violation of the agreement. However, in these scenarios, a Nevada lease termination letter is necessary. And don't forget about mandatory disclosures. These include the landlord's contact information, a late fee disclosure, the right to display the American flag in a personal location or common area, a foreclosure disclosure, utility charge breakdown, move-in checklist, nuisance penalties, and lead-based paint disclosures for homes built before 1978. Now, you might be thinking, that's a lot of information to keep track of. And you're right, but this is where DoorLoop comes into play. With our custom residential lease agreement builder, you can create your lease documents in accordance with Nevada law easily. DoorLoop also offers e-signature functionality. This means your tenants can sign their leases electronically, making the process faster, easier, and more professional. Beyond creating leases, DoorLoop also helps you connect with potential tenants. We list your properties on popular sites like Zillow, Trulia, HotPads, Apartments.com, and more. You can even screen prospective tenants through our integration with TransUnion, ensuring you get the best tenants for your property. DoorLoop makes it simple to upload lease templates and customize them to your needs, and you can do all this without the need for a licensed attorney. If you'd like to learn more about how DoorLoop can help you streamline your property management process, feel free to schedule a free demo. We'll be happy to show you all the great features and tools that our software offers. Click on the link in the description below. Before we get to some frequently asked questions, make sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so we can get this information to more real estate professionals. And here are some frequently asked questions. Number 1, how long are Nevada rental agreements? The maximum lease agreement term in Nevada is 1 year, including both residential and office space properties. While longer leases are acceptable, they must be in writing. Question number 2, are a lease and Nevada roommate agreement binding? The answer, both a lease and Nevada roommate agreement are legally binding. And question number 3, can a leasing contract automatically renew for the rental property? The answer is yes. Leases can automatically renew with a renewal clause, possibly on a month-to-month basis or for the same time frame as the original lease. Well, that's it for this video. If you want to join a community with other real estate professionals, join our exclusive Facebook community with a link in the description. And to learn more about property management tips, click this playlist here. We'll see you there.